Okay, so here is our latest screw up. The whole side here whipped away from the front left corner of the camper, bent back, and so I'm going to reattach it here with some screws and put it together, but I need to peel it back off before I can get to it to work on it. Alright, let's go for it. Okay, step one of repairs. I have the cab over slipped back in under the lip of the trim molding, and I have got some stainless steel and 1-inch stainless steel panhead screws and 1.5-inch powder coated deck screws with washers to make the holding the head surface larger. And so we've got these screws here fixed, and I got to put another layer of tape over those screw heads and all these screw heads and the ones on top there. So I've been able to screw it into the truck camper framing and hit some good solid meat. So we should be okay. And I should be able to put enough weather adhesive weather seal over it to cover everything and make it look decent again until we get home, and then I'll decide if it calls for dynamite or TLC to repair it. Alright, let's get this wrapped up and back on the road. We've got miles to go today. Okay, so done for now, just putting tools away. So we were just cruising along Interstate 40, and all of a sudden I saw my left side cab over flapping in the wind. We were doing about 63 or so miles an hour, and we had headwind of 40 miles an hour. So that just really hammered the front of it. But I've got screws and some very strong tape at the top, screws holding it here at the window, taped over the screws, and screws along at the front here. So it should be in pretty good solid shape now, and it doesn't look incredibly horrible. I'm calling it Franken Truck Camper now. So anyway, we got a few more miles to drive tonight, but it took an hour to fix it. Anyway, okay, there you go. One more Fix on the Road, brought to you by Jeff, CTAP 1, everyone's favorite truck camper. Okay, that'll be the last thing I fix there. The wires pulled out from the side marker light, so they're separated, they won't short, so I can do that later tonight, but we got to get some miles on here soon. All right.